Students and their parents are looking at the rate of interest on various loans that are offered online. This is primarily because it is a loan that requires them to do some preparation ahead of time, in order to get approved for it. In other words, it is a loan that asks for a borrower to do a little research before being approved for it. For one thing, this means that there are now private student loans that are taken out for those who wish to obtain them. These loans have the same interest rates as traditional loans. However, they are only available for people who are current students. They are being offered at higher interest rates. They are also only available to people who meet certain criteria. These include having received a college degree or being a full-time student, or having at least an associate's degree. As well, these loans do not require a cosigner, which has been a requirement for some conventional loans. The online loans also have different application requirements for each one. In most cases, they will want a letter from a financial advisor from the lender. Then, the lender will want to see your credit history, financial statements, and tax returns. This is to make sure that you can afford the amount you are borrowing. However, online loans will not require cosigners. Although there are no exceptions, this does mean that the rates of interest will be lower. In addition, the loans have a very short term, which is usually about 6 months. This means that you should expect to pay them off within this amount of time. In addition, this form of loan is not available for those who are in special circumstances. For example, if you are about to become a parent, you are not eligible for it. If you are not a resident of the United States, you cannot apply for these loans. There are also 2 different lenders that offer them. One is called the Federal Family Education Loan (FFEL) program. This is the only program that is directly related to traditional loans. The other is the Federal Pell Grant program. This is a program that awards financial aid to parents that wish to attend college. You can find out about it by visiting the website of the United States Department of Education. The difference between the 2 programs is that the FFA program does not have any rate of interest. As a result, the interest that you will pay is smaller than traditional loans. These loans are available to students regardless of what their income is at the time. They do not have any requirements for how much money you make, what your credit score is, or how many hours you spend studying each week. All you need to have is a college degree. These loans are easy to get, even if you are not a student. Just make sure that you take the time to research online loans to make sure that you can afford them.